Number 1 on our list is their electronics section. Here you can find fuses.
Next up is a 30 to 15 amp dog bone. You can use this to plug in your RV at home to keep your battery charged or run some electronics.
Number 3 on the list is some foam mats. You can use these under your storage areas, or some people use them in the bunk areas under the teddy bear mattresses to give a little more cushion.
All right, next up is a nice tool to help keep your RV clean. They have the telescoping flow-through brush where you can hook your water hose up.
Number 5 are different adapters for your propane tank. One, you can refill your small Coleman tanks using your bigger tanks, and the other one is a gauge level to let you know how much propane you have left.
Coming in at number 6 is a tire repair kit to get you back on the road.
Coming in at number 7 on the list is some silicone ties. These are used to help keep your hoses and your extension cords and stuff like that organized and neat.
All right, coming in at number 8 are the heavy-duty rubber wheel chocks. These are probably the best that you can get for the money.
Coming in at number 9 is the solar battery charger Trickle kit. This is used to connect to your battery to keep it charged while in storage.
All right, coming in at number 10 are the mesh all-purpose tarps. These are an excellent shade screens to attach to your awning.
We hope you find our short little video helpful. Don't forget to make time
For someday today.